pwede rin, no? Kahit na, I think for me, kahit saan okay lang Like, yun nga, sa Facebook, talagang it's a social page talaga, no? And, anywhere. Actually, kung natatandaan ng iba, nagkaroon ng page tayo sa Yahoo, no? Before. And I think until now, meron pa yon. It was created by Albert Gunn. That was, kailan pa ba? I think that was 2002 nung nagkaroon ng
2006, 2005?
2002. Matagal na siya, yung sa Yahoo. That was 2002. Nagkaroon ng mga meetings, may mga batch tayo na batch meetings noon, may mga gimmick pa nga before, like may mga coffee or something. Yun, 2002. I think until now, buo pa, pa rin, nag-ooperate pa rin yung page na yon. And pati nga yung mga yung sa email, kung sino yung mga dun sa account, dun sa Yahoo page natin, lahat ng email nun. So, if you send something dun sa II batch 89 na email, lahat ng batch na naka-register dun, na updated sila sa mga nangyayari. So ngayon, ang tanong na lang is, who has the time na mag-create ng panibagong ng page natin wherever para dito sa 2014.
Yeah, which boils to another topic, which is the reunion committee. I think para tayo maka-move on, we have to have a reunion committee, meaning there's like a merong nagko-coordinate, national coordinator, and then we have chapters in different regions. You know what I'm saying? Sila dapat yung mag-create ng official page. I think it all boils down to mag-create na lang tayo ng isang official page, I mean, pabayaan mo na, kung ano na lang yun, it is what it is. Kung ano yung dalawang page, that's it. But we're gonna have like one official page, let's say II Batch 89 official page, and then this is being administered by like this reunion committee,
Like one would like yung two pages would be just social, and then the other one.
Yeah,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, ganun na lang.
Official and how do you call it? Official and yung formal na.
Yeah. Yun na lang. Yung gusto nila talaga yung page niyan, just let it be, ganun na lang. And then magka-create na lang tayo na isang official na this is being run by the reunion committee,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yung business page
by the majority.
Oo. So,
business page natin.
So are we can we like, get an agreement on that, or anong masasabi ng taga Pilipinas? Claire?
Siguro, kung hindi natin mapagsasarado yung dalawang room na, tama lang yun nga na it's better gumawa ng bago na magiging official. Ano sinasabi nyo nga, na magiging official talaga. Kaya
right.
lang, yung chatting natin siguro, dapat pa ba naandoon?
Siguro ililimit na lang natin sila sa mga official business. Like, instead na yung mga, kasi the more that we put like things on it, the more na, you have to be objective.
Lalong mahaba
Yeah, you have to be responsible too. Kailangan subjective din yung mga topics. Hindi po pwedeng, mag-throw in na lang kayo ng any topics doon. Tapos it will create more, more problems in the future. Kasi, ganito yung opinion. Kasi, we cannot please everybody. Everybody has their own opinion. But, it's a matter of how people take it. How people perceive it. That's the problem, Kasi we can create like 1 million pages, for the batch, but it's not gonna, it's not gonna go anywhere.
Tigisa na tayo.
Tigisa tayo may pages. Grabe.
Tigisa, magiging tigo 100 tayo naman.
Ano ba? Adik?
Yeah, so yun. I guess I don't know you guys if it's okay with you guys, to just have like one official page. Just let it be. Kung ano na lang yung dalawang page, that's it is what it is. Yun ang opinion ko. I don't know about everybody.
Oh, di ba kumbaga naman sa artista, kanya-kanya naman ang susuportahan yung fans,
Yeah.
di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, let it be.
Hindi
hindi tayo pwedeng tumulad sa artista. Dito hindi tayo pwedeng susuportahan kung sino man yung page. No, hindi ganito nga eh. Kumbaga yung dalawang creator wala dito eh. So
I think what you want to say is that meron tayong official na page.
Oo, official talaga. Yeah.
Yeah. At saka pati
Respeto dun sa dalawa, hayaan na lang natin na yung dalawang page to go as is.
Oo.
Kung anong gustong i-post doon.
Oo.
Post yun sa isa. Oo, social na lang. Pero magkakaroon tayo ng official na page.
Oo.
I agree.
At saka anything na ipopost doon is official, hindi yung parang may mga topics, may mga ano ba yun. Kasi yun yung, alam mo kasi yun yung nagiging problem eh. The more topics you post, tapos kapag nasabihan ng ganitong opinion, people take it like differently, Nagkakaroon ng problem eh, sa perception tsaka how you receive it, Claribel, Claire?
Si Bel. Si Claire nasa labas.
Uh-huh. So, are we okay on that or what?
Kasi pinagtatawanan namin dahil, di ba, may dalawa ng existing na rooms.
Right.
Then mag-add tayo ng another one para sa official na. So, it makes the...
Pero, ganun talaga eh, there's no
gusto
way,
mag-give up eh.
Well, nobody wants to give it up,
Kaya mga iisa na lang tayo sa isang room. Okay?
Oo, wala, ganun talaga eh. There's, I invited, both of them, even Maribeth, but, there's, wala tayong patutunguhan, hindi tayo makaka-move on if we have like, we have so many pages,
Sige, siguro, after nitong conference na to,
Right.
natin makikita sa bagong room na yon lahat ng conversation.
Right, oo.
Parang siguro mas maganda pa yung gano'n. Kung meron man kami mga personal na mailagay doon sa page ni Maribel, it's just for the tropa na lang siguro.
Yeah, oo. Yung official, wala na yung mga topics, kasi yun nagke-create ng ng division yung topics.
Pero they are open to post.
Oh yeah, they're open to post anything, but you have
yun ang clear.
Yeah. But you guys have to be accountable to what you're saying kasi it's gonna be the official page, You have to be very careful, with, everything that you're gonna like write in there.
Yeah.
No,
Joel, ang ibig kong sabihin is whatever on that page, they can post it on either
Other page.
Yeah.
Kung kahit saang page, pwede rin mag-post
Yeah.
anytime.
But
Pero yung isang major na page na susundan ng lahat
Right.
is yung i-create na ang magiging moderator is yung mga leader na i-appoint natin.
yeah, yung magiging this would lead to the reunion committee. Sila yung mga heads ng mga chapter. Kunyari, California chapter or UK chapter or Philippine chapter. Sila yung admin. It's hard, at least well represented. Wala na yung mga section by chapters na lang, by region, by location. Ganun. Guys, any more input so we can go to the next topic?
Pero Joel, before sana na mag-create ng malaman sana muna ng dalawa kung ano yung intention para
Right.
hindi magkaroon ng conflict pa para
Right.
ma-discuss sa kanila before nila makita yung hindi sila ma-surprise na eto na naman
Right,
isa.
right.
Sana kung ano lang suggestion lang para hindi magkaroon ng problema, sabihan muna natin sila.
Right.
At saka
No. We're not gonna create it yet. We have to have
I
a
know,
reunion committee first.
Just a warning para
Right,
hindi na magkagulo kasi ayaw na natin ng gulo.
Joel,